Hey everyone, we're back with another Ezsite video where we tackle another feature of Ezsite. We're going to talk about the built-in AI tools already in the website so that you can further increase the speed of your business operations. Now, if you haven't yet signed up, you can get discounts on all these solo bundles using our promo codes down below. Sign up with a referral link to get $20 off, $50 off, and $100 off, respectively, on all these tiers. And that, let's get started with a step-by-step video. So for this video on Ezsite, we'll be exploring the many pre-made templates already placed here by the Ezsite developer team. Now, these are all fully working websites that have many different AI applications that can either stylize your own service or website from, or use them by themselves to help your business with many applications that can speed up your day-to-day processes. Now, in this video, I'll be showcasing some of the more notable templates and most famous ones. But if you want to just buy one of the ready working websites, just click Explore and you can see that you can buy this website by themselves. Now, this is the Nano Banana image generation using Nano Banana AI. And you can buy the one-time payment of $99 to have this app fully yours. But if you already have a subscription with many other templates, we can simply explore that in creating a website. Now, in this sidebar in your projects, you can see already some of the templates that I had built before this video started. If you want to have it built by yourself, just click, it is depending on your deal, just click the bonus app button to access any of the templates and have the Ezsite AI build it for you. So you can pick anything. Let's try Sora to video generation. Just click that, scroll all the way down, read any notices as you need, and just confirm selection. And just like any prompt-based project, the AI is going to generate the entire code base, the entire web application, with all the integrations needed and all those features found in the template ready for you in a couple of minutes. Now, really have to wait, but since you already have templates to look at, let's just let that build by itself and explore some of the ones we already have. So, that in the top part will be the projects you make, but this is an example of one of the templates that I've used. This is called AI Headshot. Now, with any template, there'll be some setup involved depending on exactly what features it has. For the AI Headshot, it uses Gemini to set up AI image generation. So you'll have to input your own Gemini key here. Let's just skip that for now. You can also input a payment platform. So how this works is this is a service site where people can subscribe to this use or even pay to have AI images generated. So it's kind of like a service site. Let's just do Stripe, receiving account, Ezsite. You can set up this payment platform yourself in the Ezsite settings, and you can have Google Auth as well. Now, let's just do a demo of the features of the site. Now, obviously, you'd be wanting to put the proper input keys, but for now, we can just preview the features of the app itself. Now, here in the site, you can edit the app to your specifications. So as I said earlier, in the template, you can really use these templates to customize your own applications, your own use cases, depending on the pre-made features already here. So in the AI headshot, you can have the homepage where you can just describe your headshot. It won't work right now because we have no API connected, but here we can have in My Creations. If you sign into account, you can create your own creations. Just reload that so you can go back to the homepage. Here's a showcase of already made headshots already. So all you have to do is upload a template, a sample image, and the AI can transform it into a professional headshot. Now, this is what it would look like if you deploy the website as a SaaS service, software as a service. And you can customize this plan as you want. And as you saw in the setup, you can connect your Stripe account too. So just type in a prompt, and this could be useful for many job applicants or even those just looking to get professional headshots for their brand or website. You can even have things like a pet product studio. Again, we'll skip the setup, but same thing, most of these require an API key, configuring payment, especially since most of these are SaaS related websites, and enabling Google authentications for creating user accounts. So that people can log in again, create proper payments, but we're really just previewing what is possible. So in the Pet Product Studio, if you give it a minute to load, let me come back when it loads. Okay, now it's here. In this Pet Product Studio, you can create the photorealistic shots of your pets. So this is more of a social media management site for pet related content. So you can update a product photo, and your AI can really, let's say, beautify the pictures that you sent. Better background, do some editing, all with AI. And same thing. This is a SaaS, it includes a pricing section and even FAQ. How does the AI work, how to get your images. And if you wish, you can check out how to use this AI prompt studio to really edit the site yourself in the first video. It should be linked below. But you can edit it as much as you want. You can select elements to edit and so on and so forth. Another template, you can create business cards with AI. So it took a moment to load. So you can create business cards with AI. All you have to do is upload context, some clues, color scheme, pictures, reference photos, and it can generate the business card for you. You'll have to log in. And as you can see, it works as usual. You can sign in with Google. You can check the pricing. Again, you can link it to yourself. And you can have tools like this ready for your business. If you're a developer, you can create your own SaaS service directly from Ezsite and have basically all the power in your hand to create any kind of service for any kind of person. Another kind of Another kind of template that is probably interesting for those e-commerce people is an AI Seller Studio. You can create your own seller website. You can transport your product photos. You can turn them into listings that are suitable for e-commerce. Another template would be an AI real estate stager. Again, similar setup, an AI API key payment authentication. Give it a moment to. Okay, it's finished loading. So this is an AI real estate stager where you can stage really the properties you have in your repertoire. You can see the empty room and have it staged with furniture. This saves a lot of budget, saves a lot of time, and really highlights the property. You have properties that are just a free space, but you want to really showcase the liveliness and the potential of the room. So you can use something like this. It even has samples already within the app and pricing as well. Really, you can really use this to set up any kind of service that you want to. Same thing, you can even use it for personal uses like this AI room declutter. Give it a moment to. Okay, it's finished loading. Now, nothing's really stopping you from using these websites as a personal tool instead of as a SaaS service. You have this subscription. If it's beneficial to you, you can use it for yourself. You can use this to help organize your room better. Another possibly useful tool for businesses or even any individuals is the stock to PDF. In this tool, you can simply upload a PDF and talk to it. Let me load it real quickly. So here it's finishing loading. Now this is voice related tool where all you really have to do is upload the PDF and then just ask questions directly from it and you can get AI responses to it. So it makes learning, makes document analysis much faster for businesses, for students, and for researchers. Really, you're not forced to make this a SaaS tool. You can make tools catered to your own business needs that will speed up production, speed up your processes, and overall provide you the most value. All made easy again with Ezsite. There's a AI scribers transcribing audio, video that it loads. As you can see, AI can even transcribe audio and convert it to text. And Instead of having to rely on pre-made tools, you can make the tool yourself with Ezsite. If you're an employer or trying to get a job, there are AI recruiters that really scrape through a bunch of applications and transform, your hiring interviews, saving a lot of time for you and your staff. You can really enhance your resumes with AI using this AI resume builder built into EasySite. Again, these websites need a little setup, but once you edit it to your own specifications, or you can even use the template as is, it's really powerful the amount of things you can do. I let it load really. And as you can see, you can create any standout resume with AI in 30 seconds or less. And it even gives you how it works. A lot of these templates have a step by step on how they work best. So you can edit to your desire or use it as you wish. You can even have an AI outbound. And if you remember earlier when you clicked the bonus app, we had it generate this easy VEO. Let's see if it has finished generating this template for us to use. Again, it will ask us to set up with our API keys for the AI services. But as you can see with the preview of the app, you can see that it is fully working, fully finished. All we have to do is click a template and the service and the functions are here for us to use. Available to us at a click of a button in a couple of minutes. So, same thing, you can turn an image to a video, you can do a prompt to a video. This is using the OpenAI Sora model. So really you can generate videos, ads, commercials, or introduction videos as easily and as quickly with AI and EasySite. So really, EasySite has a plethora of templates and tools at your disposal to make your life easier, to make your business more impactful. Now, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to sign up to EasySite today and start building using our affiliate link down below. And to access all these templates, use our promo codes to sign up for the various tiers so that you can get a better deal out of the EasySite to make building much more fun, much more easier, and better for businesses. Thank you.